At home, if you're doing 1 or 2 loaves and you want to use a old-fashioned method, well, you just got to knead it by hand. Knead it by hand until you have the window. That's a very good question. Now, what is a window? Let me show you a window. A window is when you take a dough and you stretch it out and the dough becomes so smooth. This is called a window, where you stretch your dough and until it becomes thin, and when you hold it to the light, you can see the light through it without getting torn, without getting tears in it, without getting holes in it. That's when your dough is ready. So at home, when they knead it, you got to knead it enough. Every so often, take a piece of it. Look for your window. If you have the window, your dough is ready. So that's one way to do it. And as far as mixing the cookie dough and muffin dough, you got to be careful not to overmix anyways. So I don't think at home you could really mess it up by overmixing it. It's best to watch it and just make sure the ingredients are mixed properly without being overmixed. If you overmix it, your cookies will run. If you overmix your muffin will run. Because what happens, you will incorporate so much air in it that the air in there will bubble up and make the cookie and the muffin run.